From November 11 to November 12, the Philippines felt the impact of Typhoon Ulysses, especially in the areas of Metro Manila and other nearby provinces. In particular, many parts of Marikina City were flooded because of the rains brought by the storm that had sustained winds reaching over 135 kilometers per hour. Apart from the National Capital Region, other areas such as Cagayan, Isabela, and other areas in Rizal were also greatly affected by the rains and strong winds of Typhoon Ulysses. The flooding caused by the rains may have affected the different members of our school community who are all over the country because of our online learning setup. In this Kumustahan session, we are invited to step back and make time to reflect on what has happened, identify any help that we need, and discuss ways of responding to the incident. Our reflection will focus on how we may have been affected by the calamity, express our thoughts and feelings about what happened, and identify what help we might need moving forward and whom to approach for help. Today, we will get to spend some time to share our experiences and listen to the experiences of others. It is our hope that doing so will help us process our own thoughts and feelings and find ways as a community to help each other in overcoming the consequences of this calamity. These are the objectives of today's session. To recall your experiences, either personal or as a family, during Typhoon Ulysses. To freely share your thoughts and feelings about your experiences. To listen attentively to your classmates. To identify areas in which you may need help, consideration, or support. And finally, to pray together as a class. These are some reminders before sharing. First, courtesy and respect. Please extend the utmost courtesy and respect when people are sharing by listening attentively. Show online courtesy by muting your microphone when someone else is speaking, by keeping your video on if possible, and by not chatting needlessly while someone is sharing or speaking. By not forcing others to share if they are not ready to share. Second, courage and openness. All are encouraged to share as honestly as possible. There are no correct or wrong responses to the guide questions. Third, confidentiality and compassion. Everything that will be shared in the session must be treated with utmost respect and confidentiality. The meeting will not be recorded. Listen actively and empathically with one another. Attentive listening by others can be a source of our own healing.